Warning, heavy-duty Bible geek about to happen. See, today I want to talk to you about 5 whole chapters in the book of Judges. And they are the weirdest 5 chapters possibly in the entire Bible, because everything just goes from weird to weirder and bad to worse to, oh my gosh, what is going on here? And if you're reading it, you may not catch it and you're going, this is what? But there is something, it's a technical biblical thing that scholars have called an inclusio. And an inclusio is kind of like a Bible sandwich. It's where they put one phrase at the beginning of a section and the same phrase at the end of the section so you can know how to interpret the entire section. And in Judges chapter 17, verse 6, we get the first phrase. It says there, in those days Israel had no king, everyone did as they saw fit. And what they see fit to do over the next 5 chapters is go absolutely crazy bonkers. And then, when you come to the very end of the book, the very last chapter, chapter 21, verse 25, it says the exact same thing again. In those days Israel had no king, everyone did as they saw fit. Boom! Inclusio, Bible sandwich, interpret the entire section in light of that phrase repeated twice. And what it tells us is it's a really bad idea for people to do as they see fit, because they'll do really, really dumb things. And you learn that really clearly in Judges 17 to 21. And a lot of times what I'll do with the Jumpstart is I'll apply it to us as individuals, not doing what we see, as we see fit. But today, can we stretch it a little different because it's 5 whole chapters? Because we could stretch it easily to nations, and nations do as they see fit, and chaos ensues. But let me give you one other example, because something really bad happens when churches do as they see fit. When churches start ignoring God's directives for the church, our mandates, our principles, our passions start becoming our own personal principles, our own personal preferences. When comfort becomes our driver, or any prestige becomes our driver, or anything other than God's principles become our driver, the church starts heading down the rabbit hole to worthlessness. And it always starts when a church says, we're going to do as we see fit. And that's today's Jumpstart.